Morning guys, Om Swastiastu. My name is Ida Bagus Putuweda Ananta from class 4A. Now I want to presentation my mini research paper. The title is Leo Mini Market Sawe Waru Inventory Mini Research with Accounting Information System. Let's go to chapter 1. Its introduction. Background. In this modern era, the use of accounting system has become an important part of human activities. In its journey, the company is required to have a good accounting information system, where the information system must be able to process the data obtained into useful information. Now let's go with chapter 2, literature review. Number A, inventory accounting information system. According to Chris Miyagi, an inventory accounting information system is a system that organizes inventory records that can notify managers when certain types of goods require addition. Number 2, inventory. According to Kieso, inventory is assets, items owned by the company for sale in normal business operation or goods that will be used or consumed in producing goods to be sold. Next, chapter 3, research method. Types of research and data source. The type of research used in this research is qualitative research, where in qualitative research, the resulting data will be described descriptively through speech or writing and the observed behavior of the people or subject themselves. Source of data used in this paper comes from primary data, namely data obtained from observation and direct interviews with employees of Leomart, and secondary data, namely the data obtained in the form of documents and other written information that has to do with this research. Next, chapter 4, discussion. Number A, internal control system analysis at Leomart. The internal control system at Leomart is not very good. This is because this company is still not doing the right company standard. The method of calculating inventory and monthly income is still carried out by all employees, including the warehouse department that manages inventory. Number B, analysis of the inventory recording method used. The recording method used by Leomart is to use the first in, first out recording method or FIFO, where in this method, the cost of goods is charged according to the order in which it occurs. If there is a sale or use of goods, then the cost of goods charged is the most previous cost of goods, then followed by the next incoming goods. Number C, analyzing the inventory accounting information system applied at Leomart. Number 1, application analysis that helps work at the Leomart mini market. The EPOS 4.0 program is a retail and wholesale trade program for small and medium-sized business plus trading company accounting that has been integrated into one. Makes it easier for us to manage stock and finance. Analysis of documents and accounting records contained in Leomart. Number 1, analysis of accounting documents and records of cash sales procedures. Documents used by mini market Leomart related to cash sales are cash sales receipt and daily reports per cashier. Number 2, analysis of document and accounting records used purchasing procedures. Leomart mini market relate to the procedure for purchasing goods include purchase order letters, purchasing invoice, and inventory stock books. Chapter 5, conclusion and recommendation. Number 1, conclusion. Based on the above discussion, Leomart mini market has implemented a modern inventory information system in this company. We can see this from the use of the EPOS 4.0 program application. Of course, with the lack of employees can still process the required transaction data, report in real time, and save time and effort. And last, recommendation. From the result of the mini research, Leomart mini market is expected to pay attention to the company's internal control system, so that in the future, the work done can be even more optimal. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om.